All right, guys, welcome back to another coin trading. Um, I will say signal. Now today we have Ondo. So Ondo is a finance. This is the website for Ondo. It's all about tokenization of real world assets. They float so many big names. You can see right now if you stake your US dollar on there, you get about 4.65% APY. You can invest in it, basically US Treasuries. You can use it to buy US Treasuries, I guess, which is a good thing. It's actually, it's not bad. This coin is truly not bad, Ondo. However, at $2.24 billion market cap and a fully diluted market cap of 16.18 billion, we can't help but to say, perhaps it is a little bit overvalued. Now, that is not to say that this coin doesn't have some utility. It kind of doesn't. The coin by itself, it's just a DAO, but the use case, all these, if you go onto the website, you can really kind of see that there is some very good things that they are doing. They also float the name BlackRock around quite a lot. There is a lot of liquidity in their financial platform, which is pretty good. And the good thing is that it is um, based on the US Treasury bills, which is very good. However, the coin itself, Ondo, we have to say it is slightly overvalued. So when coins are overvalued, in our opinion, we are going to look for shorts. Now, where do we short though? So we can here already see some pivot points. Um, you can see some pivot points here. Sorry, let me just set the setting here, right? You can see daily pivot points now breaking above this 1.48. We have another high here, right here. So if you look, currently it is still in an uptrend, a very strong uptrend, but kind of slowly consolidating in this level. What I think will happen might be another push up, probably breaking this. And once we're up here, we're going to start looking for shorts, definitely within the 1 hour chart. So let's say, so let me just show you guys what I think, where I think, if you wanted to make money on Ondo, because right now buying Ondo, it can be a little bit risky, right? Just because it's a little bit high right now at 2 point something billion. I think it's a bit high. Obviously, price could always continue going up here, but once price is, within this level here, the $2.60 to $2.13 level, we definitely are looking for shorts. Now, this might take a couple days, it might take about 2 weeks. We don't really know because right now the bull market is pretty strong. Um, but definitely looking for shorts in this area, and eventually with these coins, the price is going to come down, probably somewhere around here. And once we're around this level down here, we can look for longs probably in the future. However, for now, unless because we didn't get in too early. If you got in early here, you could have done very well. um, but at this point in time, there is really not too much you can do for this coin except for short it, because you do see total circulating supply of 1.38 billion with a maximum supply of 10 billion. Based on the current price of $1.62, we get a market cap of about 2.25 billion, which is high. It's really high, and the reason I'll tell you why it's high is because the Ondo coin, it's for governance. It's for It's for DAO, right? It's a decentralized, autonomy organization. So the only use really for this coin is supposedly to vote for things, and you know how this stuff goes, right? Your vote. I've never really voted on a DAO. I don't know anybody who has. Maybe you do. But what's interesting about this coin and something that you could do, right, is you could go on to their dApp, Ondo.finance, and you can invest in US Treasuries, which is a good thing. That's a good thing. Getting a 4.68% return on your money, holding something like treasuries, right? Using the USDY, right? Their own version of the dollar, USDT. If you want to get good APY, you can 4.68%. However, when I talk about, trying to make money trading this coin, I don't see any other play except for a short once it reaches, breaking above this level here. Until then, I would not really touch this coin because it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Could you buy? Yes, you could buy this coin at this level. As you can see, it's a little bit oversold right now. You could get maybe like, but I would set your stop loss around here. But setting your stop loss around here, I think it's very easy to get squeezed out. Like a long squeeze, I think there might be a lot of people already with long positions here, and I kind of see if there is a lot of people with long positions here, they could just go down, take out everybody before going back up, and then they'll probably take out everybody here before going back down. Now keep in mind, if you have all these big names like BlackRock and all these guys in this coin, you have to be a little bit more careful because these guys know how to trade, right? They do this for a living. So you want to be very careful. You don't really want to find yourself stuck here where you're like just waiting around for days for something to happen with the price. Yes, obviously, um, there's already been one good short opportunity, another good short opportunity. So, you know, if you're patient, right, you could see another short opportunity around this area here, and you would ideally, if you could hold it for a long time, you can even short it all the way down here in the next bear market. In the meantime, at these levels, I would not do anything. If we could get like a sharp move upwards, right, a sharp move, it might look something like this, to be honest, right? A sharp move upwards and then crawling up, taking out stops, and then before you come down. So that is what I see because Ondo is a DAO, and DAOs generally, they they're very good for shorting DAOs when they're overvalued because the coin doesn't have much utility. People have weak hands, and eventually people just give up on the coin when they start to realize, okay, this is not really going up anymore. But I'm not saying to short Ondo because it's a bad coin. Obviously it's got some use cases as you can see here, and I reiterate once again, if you can, get this 4.65% APY, right? It's a very good return, a passive return on your money. And if you look at the team seems pretty solid, right? You've got like these people here who look like they know what they're doing, and this coin might be around for a while. It's relatively new, just launched this year. So I would say if this coin does go down, if it goes down to like a very low level, probably all the way back down here, I would look at it every time when the bull market when the bull cycle comes around. I would look at buying Ondo. I would definitely look at longing Ondo if it continues where it is, if it continues on its current trajectory. But as of now, based on these current levels, I can only say that I'm looking for a short, just because it seems to be the play right now, based on based on what the way that I know how to trade. So let me know, what do you think about Ondo? Is this a good coin? Is this a long hold? Would you really hold a DAO at at this level when the market cap is 2.2 billion, fully diluted market cap at 16 billion? It just doesn't seem like a good coin to hold at this time, right? Obviously, if the market cap goes down to a more reasonable level, we could definitely consider buying back the coin once again. So let me know, what do you think about Ondo? Is this a good coin? Are you holding it? Are you going to short it? What are you going to do with Ondo? And until then, I'll see you in the next video.